If you've ever worked rush in a commercial kitchen, you know dishes need to move fast. And that all starts by using the right type of dish racks.
Let's break down the three most common racks: peg racks, flat racks, and glass racks. Peg racks are the workhorses for plates, trays, and larger dishware, the most common type of rack you'll see. The upright pegs keep plates separated to prevent chipping and ensure full water coverage. Tips for peg racks: always load plates upright between pegs. Don't lay them flat or stack them. Check for worn or broken pegs that can scratch plates or jam your machine. Never overload. Proper spacing is key for a spotless wash. Flat racks have open mesh bottoms, so water and debris don't pool. Here's some tips. Run silverware twice for the best results. The first wash removes food debris, the second sanitizes. On the second run-through, use a secondary container insert to keep flatware upright. Flatware should be loosely placed to allow thorough cleaning. Place forks, knives, and spoons with handles down and point up to maximize water exposure. Glass racks are designed with built-in dividers or compartments to protect delicate glassware. They reduce clinking and breakage while allowing good water flow and faster drying. For stemware like wine glasses and champagne flutes, you will need a glass rack insert to better protect these longer, more fragile glasses. Running them through your dish machine with a baseline glass rack could run a higher risk of cracking and shattering these delicate glasses. You can purchase taller glass racks to fit your specialty glasses or utilize an insert. Pro tips for glass racks: always inspect for cracks in the rack's compartments or stemware attachments. Pre-wash lipstick and tough residue. Detergent alone won't always get it all. Let glass racks air dry to avoid water spots and protect the finish. If you've got a conveyor dish machine and your dish rack isn't moving through it, check underneath. The rack pegs are what ensures it'll move smoothly on a track, and they can wear down or break over time. With the right dish racks, you get cleaner dishes, faster turnaround, and less wear in your machine. That's a win for your team and your bottom line. Need help finding the right setup for your kitchen? We've got you covered. State Cleaning provides commercial dish machine leasing and maintenance, as well as a helpline for any emergency issues that come up. Visit www.stateindustrial.com to learn more.